Very nice roof in between Chingpa and Dragon. And that's Dragon. And the roof is solid. That's the way to make a roof. And down below will be sheltered under the rain and the sun. But over there, Dato Peter Merchantine Square, is the umbrellas with a statue over there. Not a bad development. I suppose we can sit in future and dine. Hey, Gundoing! There is a slight drain now, and I cannot see how this tall umbrella is providing shelter from the rain. You see, very wet now. Just a little bit there, dry. While at the other end here, although the roof is very nice, but just look at the quality of all this. Concrete rain cover. It's not even smooth. In other countries, you won't be allowed to have all this. You can trip on this and fall down. You can trip your foot on this. Look at the terrible workmanship. See, it's not even flat and smooth. Although they tried to smoothen it with a bit of concrete, which is gonna peel off in near future. It's a what do you call this kind of work? Cut and paste or patch up job? Strictly speaking, guy, I'm ashamed of looking at this. This is the Malaysian quality of workmanship.